Hi there. So my season of tower gardening in the greenhouse has come to an end. It's now mid-December and things are pretty much done. Actually, the kale's still okay. There's a little broccoli there and the green onions are all right. But I need to clean this up and get it ready for the next season. So let's get started on that. I'm going to start by taking the pods out. All these little guys that I planted late at the end of last summer. And once I get these all out, I will start taking the units apart. Some of the roots are a little hard to get out. I've had the kale in here for a little over 6 months, and I was harvesting it as it got new growth. And you can see the size of the stalk on here. Let's see if I can get this out okay. Okay, after a bit of tugging, I managed to get it loose. And look at the roots on that. And there's just this spinach left to come out. Let's see. Okay, now that I've got all the plants out, it's time to start taking it apart. Let's have a look down there. Okay, looks good. You can see the roots in there from the top plants. Okay, I'll just keep going all the way down. Okay, as I'm pulling this off, you can see the massive roots from everything I had up top that are in the unit. So, jeez Louise. All right, so I'm gonna keep doing this for each one of the stacks on the way down. Okay, I'm down from a few layers from the top, and these threaded poles I just need to take off and put them in the tub to be cleaned. Look, there's even a slug that got in there. How the heck did that happen? All right. Okay, I've got it all down. There's all the pieces there. Got it down to the base. And there's 4 screws in the bottom. I've got those 3 out, but I'm having a heck of a time getting that one out. So let's see how this goes. Okay, with a little bit of effort, I got that last screw out. And this guy should just come right off. There you go. And now we are left with the tank and the base of the tower. So I just need to unhook the pump, dump all this water out. It does come with a hose. You can attach to the blue hose and direct the water somewhere. I'm just going to dump this bucket into the greenhouse floor here because I've got drain tile underneath it, and empty all the water that way. And then I'll take it into the garage to give it a good clean. Okay, I've added some bleach to some Dawn detergent in the garage sink, and I'm just going to be filling this up, let them soak for a little while, and I'll scrub them and give them a rinse and get all the algae and gunk off those. All right, all the pieces are cleaned pretty well. Just left them outside to dry off for a bit. Okay, it's now time to put the tower back together. I've got all the parts. And I'm also gonna add the grow light system as soon as this is assembled. So let's get this assembled first and then we'll figure out the grow lights. Okay, now I've got most of the tower built. It's almost ready to go. So typically you'd put the little hat on the top, which is this guy here. He'd just go up top there. But I recently purchased the LED lighting set, and here it is here. Comes with some instructions. So that goes on top instead of the hat. So let's put this on and see how it goes. There we go. I got all 4 lights up. I'm gonna have to move it over a little bit and for the final setup. Okay, the lights are all set up and we are good to go. I just need to set the timer to the correct time and put it on for 16 hours a day. So I just need to wait a couple more days till the seedlings are big enough to put in here, and then I'll fill the tank with water and nutrients and get it started. So right now I've got the temperature set in the greenhouse for 3 degrees C. The ambient temperature right now is a little over 9 degrees Celsius. I think I'm going to set it for 12 degrees because I'm going to be planting spinach, arugula, and we'll try a couple other things. And there's my greenhouse heater there, which is attached to the thermostat. All right, and there it is all set up with the lights. Next batches of arugula and spinach.